Good morning. Today we are going to see social second lesson, the story of Madras Presidency. It's all about our Tamil Nadu. In the olden days they called it Madras Presidency. First, the Madras Presidency was formed on 1801. It was an important provinces of British India because the British ruled our India. So they gave a more concentration on Madras Presidency. It's officially known as a Presidency Fort St. George. The fort is in our Paris. That is a central railway station near to this. Because of the Fort St. George, they gave a importance to the Madras Presidency. It is our southern India. There is a North Indian, South Indian. In our southern India, they gave more importance, and also the southern India has a states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Odisha, Union Territory, Lakshadweep. See, this is the Eastern Ghats side, this is the Western Ghats side, and this is our south portions. They gave importance to all the states in the map. See, this is a Orissa, this is a Andhra Pradesh, and this is a southern part of Karnataka, and this is a Kerala and our Tamil Nadu. So these are the whole thing they called as a Madras Presidency, including Orissa and Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Andhra. These are all the four states they combined and they called as a Madras Presidency. And important, our Madras, they gave importance officially for Fort St. George. And also some of the islands here, that's called a Lakshadweep. The island is in the left-hand sea side. Look at here, it's a Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea, it has a Lakshadweep Islands. Also, it's under our British rule. The city of Madras, now known as a Chennai, was a capital of presidency. Look at the map. This is a Madras Presidency and the 14th number. It's called a Madras. It's a capital for our presidency. Next, in 1862, the provinces was divided into 22 districts. Look at in the map. You can see, right? These are the 22 districts. Chengalpattu, Madras, Salem, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli. It's not called a Tiruchirappalli. In the olden days, they called a Tiruchirappalli, and Tanjavur, Madura. The Madura, later it's called a Madurai. And the Ramanath, it's called as a Ramanathapuram. And Tirunelveli and Nilagiri in Tamil Nadu. It was under British rule until 1947. You know, we got a independence on 1947, right? Before that, they all ruled these portions. It's a North Arcot, South Arcot. Now later they divided into Velu, Tiruchirappalli, everything. Look at here. The first British governor of Madras Presidency was Edward Clive, and the last governor was Archibald Edward Ney. I'll ask you in the introduction class. The first governor of our Madras Presidency is Edward Clive, and the last governor was Archibald Edward Ney. So there's no chief minister and subordinate ministers and all. They gave a more importance to the governor, like a CM. Okay, the first governor is Edward Clive and the last one is Archibald Edward Ney. Okay, after the presidency, after the independence. So after 1947, our Gandhiji and some of the leaders, they fought with the Britishers and we got a independence. So we got a independent life from our British people. After 147 years, its formation of presidency, they renamed as a Madras. After 147 years later, they called as a Madras, our Chennai. Okay. In 1956, after they got independence, they again dividing into 4 regions: Madras, Sengalpat, North Arcot and South Arcot, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Coimbatore, and Nilagiri, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram, Kanyakumari. And officially it's named as a Tamil Nadu. See our portion, it's not combining with the Kerala or Karnataka or Eastern Ghats of the Andhra Pradesh. They dividing our Tamil Nadu from the other states in 1956. See Chengalpattu, North Arcot, Salem, Coimbatore, Nilagiri. So the southern portion they called as a Tamil Nadu. It was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1967. I'll learn about the 4 regions later. So we are going to learn 4 regions. What are the about the Madras, Sengalpat, everything. And we'll see in the next class. Thank you.